Hello, Reddit enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to set the default view on Reddit. Whether you prefer the classic card view, the compact view, or something in between, this guide will show you how to choose your default view in just 1 minute. Let's jump right in. First, open the Reddit app on your device and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the newest features. Once inside, look at the upper right corner of the screen for your profile picture. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the Settings option, which is often represented by a gear icon or 3 vertical dots. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. On the new page, scroll down and find the Default View or View Preferences option. Tap on it, and under the Display Settings, you'll find different view options to choose from, such as Card View, Compact View, and more. Simply select the view that suits your browsing style best, and it will be set as your default. From now on, every time you open the Reddit app, it will display in the view you've chosen. And there you have it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.